Welcome to the chapter, Confusion of Number. This chapter focuses on errors made with singular and plural usage, especially in subject-verb agreement. For example, many think the news are bad is correct, but news is singular. The right sentence is the news is bad. Let's explore more such examples and how to fix them. Let's begin with the basic rule. Singular subjects need singular verbs, the dog barks. Plural subjects take plural verbs, the dogs bark. But here's the tricky part, some subjects look plural but act singular. That's where mistakes often happen. Some words end in s but are still singular, like news, mathematics, and politics. We say the news is good, mathematics is tough, and politics is interesting. Even though they look plural, they take singular verbs. Collective nouns refer to a group, like team, family, or police. In American English, they are usually treated as singular, the team is winning. But if we think of individuals within the group, we can say, the team are arguing. British English allows both, depending on the context. Here are some tricky examples. The police always takes a plural verb, the police are here. Cattle is also plural, we say the cattle are grazing. People is the plural of person, so we say people are happy, not people is happy. Let's practice. Number 1, the news, the correct form is. Number 2, the family, is if acting as one, or if acting individually. Number 3, the police, are. Number 4, mathematics, is. Number 5, the team, is. Well done! Let's wrap up. Always match the verb with the true number of the subject. Some words end in s but are still singular. With collective nouns, ask yourself, are you talking about the group as one unit or individuals within it? With these tips, your subject-verb agreement will become more accurate. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.